Hello everyone, welcome to Reverse Engineering video lecture series. Today we will be continuing with the arithmetic progressions after what we have covered in the last lecture. We'll start today's lecture with the problem in which we have to check the given series is an AP or no. The problem is amount of air present in cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Suppose this is a cylinder and from that cylinder vacuum pump is removing 1/4 of the air present at particular time. So initially suppose the air inside the cylinder is V. So initially the volume is V. After that, after when the 1/4 of the volume is removed from the cylinder, the remaining volume will be V minus 1/4 of V. So to solve this, I will take V common and 1 minus 1/4. If we will do the LCM, it will be V is common here. 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. So the final answer will be 3V by 4. So after first process, the volume remain in the cylinder is 3 by 4V. Then after second process, we can say the amount of volume inside the cylinder will be this volume, which is 3V by 4, and will now remove 1/4 volume of that. So 3V by 4 minus 3V by 4 into 1 by 4. So that this is nothing but 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16. So if we'll do the LCM, it will be, so I need to multiply this term by 4 and 4 to numerator and denominator. So it will be 12V by 4 minus 3V by 4. So answer will be 9V by, this will be 12V by 16, and this is also 16. So answer is 9V by 16. So answer after the, this is the first answer, this is the, you can say, second answer, this is the third answer. And when we'll repeat the process again, the amount of volume remain, you can say amount of volume remain inside the cylinder will be 9V by 16 minus 9V upon 16 into 1 by 4. Why we are doing 1 by 4? Because we want to remove 1/4 of the volume each time which is remaining before. So the remaining answer or remaining volume before was the 9V by 16, and we removed now 1/4 of it. So it will be 9V by 16 minus 9V by 64. Now LCM of these two is 64. So I need to multiply this term by 4. So I'll get 9 for the 36. So 36V upon 64 minus 9V by 64. So the answer will be 27V by 64. If I'll write this down, all the information in the series, so it will be, initially it was V, then it was 3V by 4. So second term is 3V by 4. The next term is 9V by 16. And the last term is 27. It is not obviously last term. In this our calculation it is maybe last term, but it will be continuously going on if we'll keep on removing the air from the cylinder. Now this is our series, and if we'll try to observe this series, can you say is this AP or no? We'll do further calculation if needed. We'll try to make the denominator for all of them as 64, because the denominator for all 1, 4, 16, 64 is 64. So if I make a denominator for this is 64, so numerator will be 64V. If I want to make a numerator as a 64, so I need to multiply by 16. So 16 3s are 48V. Here also I want to make a 64 as a denominator. I need to multiply by 4. So 9 4s are 36V, and the last term will be same 64, and 27V by 64. Now if we will take the difference between all of them, the difference will be not equal. You can see the difference between 64 and 48 is 16V by 64, and then you can say the difference here is 12V by, the denominator is 16 here, 64 here, 12V by 64, then the difference is 9V by 64. So here you can see the difference is not same. So as difference is not same, or you can say the common difference is not constant, so we can say given sequence is not an AP. Whenever the common difference is same, then only the answer or the given sequence will be in the AP. We'll go ahead and we'll do the second problem. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So for first kilometer I will need 15 rupees. For second one, additional one, I will need 15 rupees plus 8 rupees. So it will be 23 rupees in all. For the third kilometer I will need 23 plus 8, which will be 31. And for the fourth kilometer I will need 31 plus 8, that is 39, and so on as I will travel more. So if I'll represent this information, obviously these are all rupees, I'll represent this information in the sequence form, then it will be 15, 23, 31, 39 and so on. Now if I want to find out this given sequence is an AP or no, I need to check the common difference. So common difference between these two terms is current term minus previous term, which is 23 minus 15, answer is 8. Again current term is 31, previous term is 23, the difference is 8. Similar for this case, the difference is 8 in all cases. As we can say, the difference is same, so given sequence is an AP. We'll move ahead to the next problem. Now again we have to check given problem is AP or no. They are given the amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. The formula for compound interest I am writing here, it is A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N, where A is amount, P is principal, R is rate of interest and N is number of years. So for first year, when that guy initially kept the amount of 10,000 in bank, so the amount in the bank is 10,000. After first year, the amount will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 1, because number of year is 1 after first year is completed. So calculation, this is 10,000. Calculation will be 1 plus 0.08 or 0.08 raised to 1. So this is nothing but 10,000 into 1.08. The answer will be 10,800. So the answer what I got after the first year is 10,800 rupees. Then I'll do furthermore. The answer after 2 years, what I need to do, 10,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.08, and the number of years will just change to 2. This same thing will be there. So 10,000 into 1.08 square. If you'll find out the answer, for this, you will get the answer as 11664. For fourth one, if you want to do, then it will be again the same thing, 10,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.08, which is 0.08 is nothing but 8 upon 100. So 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3, that is 10,000 into 1.08 raised to 3. The answer for this thing will be around 12,597 if you do the calculation. And if I want to represent this answers in the form of series, then I will able to represent it like 10,000, then 10,800, then 11,664, then 12,597. These are the answers, and so on, if the number of years will keep on increasing. Now this is the given series and we have to check this series is AP or no. What we have to do to check the given series is AP or no? We have to check the common difference. So for this the common difference is 800. For this the common difference is around, I think, 864, and the common difference for these two series will be 933. So here you can see the common difference, which is D, is not same. So given sequence is, you can say, not AP. We'll go ahead with the next problem. Here they are asking us to write down the first 4 terms when A is 4 and D is, you can say, -3. So how to write down first 4 term? What are the criteria to write down the sequence as AP? We'll write down the first term. First term is A, which is 4. To write down the second term, I need to copy down the first term as it is, which is 4, plus common difference, which is -3. So my answer will be 1. For the third term, the answer will be previous term, 1 plus -3. Then it is, the answer will be -2. If I want to find out the fourth term, the answer will be the previous term, which is -2, plus common difference, which is -3. The answer will be -5, and so on. So these are basically the first 4 terms in the AP, and you can find out more terms if they are needed. Now we'll do the second one in this. Suppose A is first term, which is A, that is -1, and D is 1/2. To find out the second term, I need to copy down the first term, -1. I need to add common difference to it, which is 1/2. So the answer, if you want, if you take the LCM of this, it will be -2 upon 2 plus 1/2. The answer will be -1/2, which is the second term. The third term will be the second term, which is -1/2 plus 1/2, which is the common difference. The answer will be 0. Find out the fourth term. I will take the third term, which is 0. I'll add 1/2 to it, which is the common difference, and my answer will be 1/2. So these are again the 4 terms, you can say, of AP. We'll move ahead to the next sum. In this given AP, they are asking us what is the first term and what is the common difference. Obviously, this is the first term. This is also represented as A. And now we'll find out the common difference. How to find out the common difference? We'll take the current term, which is the term except the first term, current term minus previous term. So current term is 5/3, previous term is 1/3, the difference is 4/3. Again, I will follow the same rule, 9/3 minus 5/3. So if you do the calculation of 9/3 minus 5/3, answer you will get as 4/3. Similarly, if you do this calculation, which is the 13/3 is the current term and this is the previous term. So 13/3 minus 9/3, the answer will be 4/3. So here you can observe for all of the pairs, or you can say consecutive terms, the common difference d is same, which is the 4 by 3, and that makes the given sequence as AP. So we got our answers as A is equal to 1 by 3 and D equal to 4 by 3. These are the answers. Thank you everyone. Visit us on shasankiclasses.com for free educational videos, online question and answer papers for all subjects, standards and boards. Get your doubts solved with our experienced faculties. Like, share and comment on YouTube channel called Reverse Engineering.